How to create a Bluesky account. Sign up on Bluesky. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Bluesky account and sign up easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Search for Bluesky Social and install the app. Once installed, open the app once the app is opened. And after that, tap on Create Account. Now enter your email address. After that, set up your password and enter your date of birth. Once done, tap Next. Next, choose a Bluesky handle. The app will now require you to complete a verification task to confirm that you are human. Follow the instructions and go through the verification steps. Once verified, your Bluesky ID will be created and you can start using the app. That's how easily you can create your account on Bluesky. That's all for the video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.